Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, Australia. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open lower this morning. Stocks traded lower yesterday, putting a pause to January's rally. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.1% fall. Looking at business news from today, and the Flight Centre Travel Group announced it's entered into a binding agreement to acquire 100% of United Kingdom-based luxury leisure travel business Luxury Travel Holdings Scott Dunn for an enterprise value of £121 million. That's around 211 million AUD. The acquisition is anticipated to generate modest net corporate cost and supplier synergies. The acquisition will be funded via a fully underwritten $180 million institutional placement and $40 million of existing cash on Flight Centre's balance sheet. Completion is expected to take place before the end of February. Karoon has paid a contingent consideration payment to Petrobras. Yesterday, the company paid Petróleo Brasilia Petrobras $84.5 million. That's $78 million and $6.5 million accrued interest. The payment was made from Karoon's existing cash on hand. This payment is in accordance with the terms of the Borna acquisition, whereby Karoon agreed to pay Petrobras a contingent consideration of up to $285 million plus interest of 2% per year, dependent on future oil prices. Now, the average Brent price applicable to calendar year 2022 contingent payment year was $101.32 a barrel. Karoon Energy is an international oil and gas exploration and production company with assets in Brazil and Australia and is listed on the ASX. The Vicinity Centres have appointed Peter Huddle as Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director following the completion of a global search, effective from the 1st of February. He's been acting Chief Executive Officer for Vicinity since the 16th of November and joined the company as Chief Operating Officer in March 2019. Now, the pandemic presented Vicinity with unprecedented complexity arising from significant regulatory change as well as practical challenges associated with keeping shopping centres open and safe for customers, retailers and staff. As COO throughout the pandemic, Mr. Huddle was instrumental in leading Vicinity's operational response. Well, it's time for a quick break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 0.8%. The S&P 500 fell 1.3%, while the Nasdaq Composite dropped by almost 2%. Across the Atlantic, European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE added 0.3%. Frankfurt lost 0.2%, while Paris closed 0.2% lower. Brent crude dropped 1.5% to $85.37 a barrel, and spot gold was down 0.3% to $1,922 an ounce. And that's as investors look ahead to the upcoming US Federal Reserve policy meeting. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.